let's see if there is sound and video and everything is okay with the stream. Let's see if there is sound. Oh, good morning to everyone. Everything seems to be running fine. Let's do our usual Bitcoin analysis. So the weekly still looks bullish, but the money flow is going down. So it's a tricky situation. If we continue to form this green momentum and start going up, there might be a few weeks of upside and then we get rejected again. Also on the Heiken Ashi we see that probably we're getting rejected. So if I see the daily, we can see this rejection that we got on the Heiken Ashi. We just started to go up a little bit and then the Fed rate decision and then we dumped. But I think there is some hope because we can start to recover from here. You know, it's I would say it's 50-50. We may 50% try to recover and go up from here, or try to liquidate more players to the downside. For me that's 50-50, but on the daily we see this little VWAP wave that we can, you know, it can go up a little bit, at least for a few days, until it get rejected again. On the 4 hour we see that actually we have bullish divergence, so that's bullish, but the money flow still continues down. So I don't think we have to see what happens. I don't have a crystal ball. It can go both directions. It can start recover, print a green momentum here and start recover, and actually this wave might be very little wave like that and start to recover, or we might dump down. So we don't know. We don't know, and we have to monitor the markets for this, but I think there is some bullish divergence here. We'll see how it plays out, but yeah, on the 3 hour also I just don't like the money flow. The money flow is Bitcoin is very weak. It seems it doesn't have a case right now to buy Bitcoin. That's what we can see from the money flow. But this can quickly change. I mean, so it's very interesting. I don't know if this is the bottom. This can be the bottom if we start recovering from here and the money flow starts going up, but right now the money flow is going down, not up. So we have to trade based on this. 1 hour, I think there would be, yeah, money flow is going up on the 1 hour. As I said, there was there is some bullish divergence also we see on the momentum, and I think we can go up here, maybe to the previous levels at 17.3 or 17.2. Not sure where exactly. I'll see this on the other charts, but yeah, right now it seems that there is more bullish momentum than bearish right now on these time frames, on the 45-minute and on the 1 hour. We'll have to see how the 4 hour is getting shaped, but this is bullish. So we have less money flow here, smaller money flow in the red, and actually on the 30-minute we should be going up right now. 15 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes is choppy, but at least the 1 hour was looking good for a long, I think. Doesn't mean that it can get rejected and go down again, but I think it's time for some small upside, I think. Okay, let's see the Ichimoku cloud. On the 6 hour we see we're holding this support. Support is at 16.5. And here resistance, so we might go to this Tenkan Sen at 17.5 to retest it, and then from there we can go up, break this cloud, or get rejected from the Ichimoku. So yeah, I would say that there is a good chance that we test this 17.5 again. Let's see on the 12 hour what is the situation. On the 12 hour we are in the cloud, that's why the price action is choppy, and we got rejected, so we fell down from this level. um, we didn't even went to the Tenkan Sen. I thought we're going to go to 18.5 and retest this, but we went actually to 18 point something and got rejected from there. Right now we are sitting near the Tenkan Sen at 16.5. As I said, if we break this level, it would be very interesting. So the price action would be very interesting if we manage to break this 16.5. Maybe we're headed there. Maybe we recover from the cloud and go up. We have to see this. We have to monitor this. This would be until the end of the year. This price action. We will see whether we're going to break the cloud or we go down. So we break the cloud to the downside or we recover to the upside. So really interesting price action. And here on the daily, of course, we are below the resistance, the previous support, now resistance. So really interesting what is going to happen next. Let's see some levels on Bitcoin. Yeah, there is a huge foot, but I'm not looking at the foot, I'm looking at the charts, and I think there might be some bullish case for Bitcoin right now. If there is no new news foot, I guess we're going to go up. Okay, so the pivot is approximately 17.5. Right now we are flat, completely flat, and we might be able to retest this in the next days maybe. No, the price action looks really flat, to be honest. We are in the middle of the RSI. I would better not trade right now. I would better not trade anything here until I see some resolution. Of course, on the 1 hour there might be some bullish case to long this. 3 hour is looking again going to the downside, so we cannot make a judgment and go long because the 1 hour and 3 hour are divergent. They are not in agreement. Also the 4 hour is falling down. So I think we can wait. We can wait and see what happens. No trade, as I said, just no trade to support the price action right now. Yeah, well, market has been boring for a while, but watch out, because after this boring market usually there are huge breakouts or breakdowns. So either way it's going to go up or down. It's going to break down or break out, and yeah, that's that would be interesting to watch. Probably it would be near the New Year or Christmas. Now we see volume delta continues to go up, but right now it's bearish. So right now we have some bearish divergence here because we have this high and we're actually below this this level here. So the volume delta is started to fall down, and that's bearish. Of course we have to break this line. So if I have a line here on the volume delta. Yeah, we have to break this, I think, in order to be sure that we're going down. After we break this on the 4 hour, I guess it will become very interesting and we may be able to short. Okay, so it seems we have bottomed here on the Bitcoin price search term. Yeah, we had a little, I think, test dump. This was the test dump that we had, and of course on the 90-day Bitcoin went to 100 here and started to recover. Now I think it has bottomed out. This was the wall that we had, the lower wall at 15.8, or I don't remember what was the exact price, but yeah, hit 100 here, start going down on the search term. I think some players bought here, some big players bought, and well, it's going to be interesting right now. Let's see. Yeah, here nothing happening. That's even bearish cross. We're crossing bearish here on the 30 minutes, so nothing to say really. It looks flat. I think, yeah, as I said, if we on the 2 hour, let's say on the 2 hour, if we print a green dot here, green momentum, and the money flow starts going up, we may pick this to the upside. But right now, money flow from this high completely is going down and down and down and down. So we have to check this money flow. If it starts going up, then yes, we can wonk. But right now it's a waiting game, and it's not good to short at this level because we might have a green dot and go up. So that's the analysis from my side. I'm going to travel in a few days, so I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to make a new video. If I don't, happy Merry Christmas, and yeah, we're going to see each other some other day, and I wish you all the best holidays. It's already that time of the year. Cheers.